You show man Tita Kat big ah. Sige na ah. There. You get sabaw. You drink. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Fish.
What?
Fish.
Fish? Yummy? The fish also. You eat the fish. The fish. Very good. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Jeffrey?
Red. Brother.
How old are you now?
2.
You show me man the pogi. You show me the pogi. You show me the smile. You show me the smile.
This.
No. Like this.
This. This.
Where is your eyes? Where is your nose? Where is your mouth? Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Where is your spoon? Where is your plate? Where is your fish? Where is your cup? Where is your jacket? Where is your hand? Say hi! Okay. Yummy? You eat also.